So hello, my name is Renee Vincent and I run a company called Inspire to Motivate. I have some exciting news, and what I'm hoping that if you would like to come along to one of my workshops is that I actually run workshops on managing your stress. So actually looking inside your bucket and developing some self-awareness skills. Believe it or not, 1 in 3 women suffer with anxiety and 1 in 5 men also suffer with anxiety, which is the data that's come from Beyond Blue. But you know what? I really think there's more. It's just that a lot of people don't talk about it. Mental health is always that thing that we just don't talk about. But you know what? When we do talk about it, it's when we've gotten to that point where now I need to see a therapist because I'm not functioning and now I need to do something about it. What about actually doing something about it before that happens, before we start to just cannot function anymore? So you're one of those people that wakes up in the middle of the night and you have these thoughts just racing, and all of a sudden you can just feel this cortisone just pumping around your body, making it really tingly. The heart is racing. You get this dryness here in your throat and your mouth, and you just find it really hard to believe, and you feel like you're going to this overwhelmed sort of sensation where your body just sort of separates, where you're looking down on yourself. Is this you? Then maybe you will benefit from my workshop. So on the 26th of October, I'm running a workshop. It's a Saturday at Blaxland. So the fee is $99, but you know what? That is nothing compared to what you can pay to see a therapist. So what I'm asking you to come, if you want to come along in this journey, is you can either check me out on Facebook, Renee Vincent, go to my website, watch some of my videos, see if this is what you like, because the small groups of 10 is what I have in the workshop. So I just finished running some workshops and we really looked at a lot of things like values, your belief system, who you are, your personality traits, because that all contributes to who you are and how you manage your actual anxiety. There is nothing wrong with having anxiety. We need those things to challenge us so that we get into that learning zone. But how do I know when it's not learning and when it starts to be a bit of the panic zone? So if this sounds like something that you're really keen about and you want to come and join me, you won't regret it. You really won't. You'll get something out of it, because you only have to go and have a look and read some of the testimonies. Check my website, have a look for yourself. But this is something we need to all come together and develop wellness. I'm all about giving skills so we can stay well, because bad stuff happens, and there's good stuff. How do I keep myself here so that when the bad stuff does happen, that I can sort of bounce back? And that's all about resilience, isn't it? So are you keen? You want to come along? Please just follow the link below, and hopefully I will see you on that Saturday.